Hi, hello, ma'am, sir. I'm Melanie, 35 years old. I'm a single parent of 4 kids. I have 3 sons, ages 21, 19, and 15, and only one daughter, 6 years old. I'm a high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking and cleaning. I'm also a pet lover. I have 2 dogs. I work as domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 2 years from 2023 to 2025 finished contract. I serve one couple and 2 children. My duties are taking care of 2 children ages 3 years old and a newborn. I'm also cooking, ironing, washing clothes, and cleaning. I want to work in Hong Kong to save and earn money for my family. To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid because I'm honest, trustworthy, obedient, and hardworking. Hope to see you soon, ma'am, sir. Thank you. God bless.